no skin irritation, whitening effect, no bad odor, and this could be a lifetime. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a first impression about this product from Skinmate. So this is a shark oil and this is 15 ml. I believe this is 60 pesos, 60 to 75 pesos. Okay, we are going to test this out today, tonight. Actually to midnight na dito guys. So if interested kayo na matest natin ito, then please keep on watching. Liit. Liit lang siya. Twist bottle. Tsaka ganyan siya. Oh. Most shark oil does like this, smells like this. I know how to like use it because I've seen so many reviews about this product. So let's just read a little bit, okay? So Skinmate Shark Oil removes dead skin and blemishes, allowing new skin cells to dominate, making it smooth, whiter, radiant, and young looking. Pangit ng lighting ko no? Sorry guys ha. Wala tayong magawa. Na malfunction yung ring light ko. Okay, to avoid irritation, use every other night. Take note, every other night to avoid irritation. Okay, day 1. Today is April 27. Okay, and for my armpit, let's try. Ano ba ang armpit ko ngayon? This is my armpit, guys. Hindi pa rin siya maputi. Ganun pa rin siya. Meron pa rin siyang mga tint, bluish, greenish tint. Okay, so ito na ang ating updated Kelly. There you go. Right, so, ayan. Parang maputi naman siya, no? Nag-work naman talaga yung ano guys, yung tawas na ginagamit ko. Okay, so yan siya. Ating ilok number 1. Ilok number 1. Okay, and ilok number 2. Yan ang ating ilok number 2. Yan. Nag-ano naman talaga siya guys, nag-improve naman talaga siya. No? Hindi na talaga siya yung super na yung maitim na super maitim dati, diba? Sana ba yung ano natin? Hindi pala ako nagdala ng ano, mirror. Ano ba yan? Nagmamadali tayo guys. Anyway, yan. So, let's start. Okay, so yung nakita ko na ano, na YouTuber, what she was recommending is put it on your hand and then swipe lang ganyan. Kung gaano kaitim ang klikli mo, doon mo lang siya ilalagay. Okay, so ano lang siya, sabi niya, pa swipe ng pa ganyan. Hindi marunong Tagalog. Basta, kayo nang bahala. Okay guys, so ayan. Yung smell niya, kagaya lang naman ng mga shark oil, no? Hindi naman siya, ano, merong smell, merong, ano, yung flowery smell. Wala naman. Okay, yung ano natin, tingnan natin yung kulay niya. Okay, so siguro mag-insert lang ako ng video in the morning. Okay, para makita natin yung like daytime or natural lighting at day. Yung natural lighting in daytime para you can see na ano talaga yung totoong color niya. Kasi pag gabi, iba yung heat temperature ng ating light. Tapos, konti lang yung light ko ngayon. Tapos, overhead lighting pa. Hindi maganda. Hindi masyadong, hindi masyadong, ang tawag dito. Hindi ko bet yung light ngayon, okay? So, pasensya nyo na. Wala na tayong magawa. Siguro magbili na lang ako ng bagong ring light pag meron na tayong pondo. Okay. Alright, guys. So, sabi niya, ano lang daw, parang one swipe. Ganyan. Tapos, ilalagay sa kilikili. Hindi ko, ano ba yan? Wala akong mirror. So, ganyan lang siguro. Okay. Kasi gusto ko dalawa. Lang swipe. Ayan. Tapos, ganyan. Ayan. Ganyan lang. Okay. Huwag nating sabi niya ganyan, pinaganoon ko pa. Baka ma-error na tayo ngayon, no? Okay, again. Take 2. Right? Kita niyo ba? Kita niyo ba? Para hindi eh. Pasensya na ha. Kasi gabi, no? Okay, 1. Right. Okay, parang kulang ha. 2. No, tama lang 2, guys. Pinispread ko lang siya, no? Para hindi magka-irritate yung skin natin. Siguro ganyan lang. Okay. So, marami pa siya. So, yung plano ko is 4 times in a week. Pero sabi dito to avoid irritation every other night. Alright. So, I will still gonna use it in the morning. Dito morning na ngayon. Gusto na nga. But when I wake up, after I did my, skincare and stuff like that, I will make a footage on it, applying it in the morning. Okay, so hindi ko na lang siya, it's non-voice na lang yun, okay? Kasi, ano lang naman, how I put it, tapos yung skin condition natin sa ating kilikili in the morning, para sigurado tayo kung ano ang kinalabasan nito, okay? So far, ngayon lang, wala akong na-feel na mahapdi sa balat, wala. Okay, so, cross tayo ng fingers ha. Hindi rin ako naglagay ng deodorant before nito. So, I'm hoping na hindi ako I hope I will not get any PO. Sana naman wala kasi hindi na ako naka-PO ever since January. Okay, so it's a good thing, right? So what the products I'm using does work for me now. Okay, so I'm hoping for this na mag-work sa akin kasi nung na-try ko yung RDL, ilalagay ko dito sa taas, dito. Yung review ko sa RDL, I do really like the peeling effect on my skin. Nag-lighten talaga yung skin ko. Okay? And yun lang nga, ang difference is the skin irritation, which is unbearable. But I'm hoping this Sharkoil can do better. Okay? So, let's cross our fingers. And I will probably see you in 1 week. Or I will just insert maybe later on some clips over the week, okay? But definitely for this impression video, this is going to be uploaded as soon as possible, so we can have a starting point on the day that I use it. Alright, so I'm just hoping that this would work. No skin irritation, whitening effect, no bad odor, and this could be a lifetime. I mean, going to be for a lifetime use. Okay, alright, so dito na tayo magtatapos. I hope you find some enlightening in this video. And this is a new product for me. I hope it's going to work. Okay, so this will sum up my video. Thank you so much for watching. Until then, bye!